Hey guys, so if you want to fix your thermostat or the Nest thermostat by Google is first I would like you to go to the Google store or where you bought it. If it was bought from Amazon, then might as well know when is your warranty is. But if you bought it from the Google store, then you should go head on to the support, which is you can see right here support, then start a repair since it is actually critical to repair that type of device. So, but here is another vlog from the MrCentralHeating.co is that it talks about how do I fix the Google Nest Learning thermostat if it breaks or freezes. So you should check first the power, make sure that your thermostat is receiving power. You can do this by checking the breaker or switch that controls power to your system. If the breaker or switch is turned off, then you should turn it back on. You can also restart the thermostat by yourself, which you should press and hold the ring on your thermostat for about 10 seconds until the screen turns off. Then release the ring and press it again to turn on the thermostat back on. Again, if we have restart, we also have the reset. So by resetting it is that it also has the most likely procedure of the restart, but to do this that you need to press and hold the ring and the down arrow button at the same time for 10 seconds. We also have to check the batteries, of course. If you haven't, then batteries might one of the problem why your Google Nest Learning thermostat isn't working. And also check for updates. Make sure that your thermostat is up to date with the latest software. You can check it for update by going to the settings menu on your thermostat and selecting software update.